Alright, I just got a new Zippo, and it's a brass one, and it's going to be, or it is, the centerpiece of my brass section. Comes in a plain box, but I think they could have done something special with the box. And the back, it's labeled Command Uniform. And it is the brass Enterprise Command insignia engraved on a brass body. And this little guy was made in, looks like G of 13, so that was this year. And the insert is not matching. It is a brass insert, and the insert is F of 13. Does have a really good sound. Fires up nice. So that is the engraved Enterprise brass insignia Zippo. That goes into my collection. That's the centerpiece of my brass collection. Knuckle bump.